Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, it is the Amazon Prime HD support test between the Poco F3 GT versus the Oneplus Nord 2 device. Let's see friends which phone will be able to play the Amazon Prime HD and 1080. That is what I'm going to exactly test in this video. Because I did receive plenty of comments saying that a few of the Oneplus phones, they were unable to get the 1080 and HD support in their devices. That is the reason I thought of checking. But the both phones, they do have the DRMF info, which is L1 certification. Both phones they are having. That's the one thing which I thought of just informing you. And let me try to show you exactly what kind of settings I'm trying to use during this time of demonstration. And here we go, and streamline the download quality, and I did select the best. As you can see, everything is selected to the best in the OnePlus Nord 2. Is a OnePlus Nord 2. Let me try to start playing my favorite movie, which is a KGF. So right now you're not seeing any kind of HD. As you can see friends, yes, even my unit, the OnePlus Nord 2, is not playing in the HD. As you can see, you're not getting any kind of HD, nothing at all. There's no HD and 1080 support. Yes friends, that problem is there even in my phone. I cannot play longer the movie. But let's check in the Poco F3 GT whether the Poco F3 GT has got HD and 1080 content support or not. That's what I'm going to exactly see by playing the same movie. As soon as you open the movie and you start playing, you should be able to see that HD symbol in the bottom. Sometimes the Wi-Fi is kind of slow sometimes, but not much. But let me try to decrease the sound. So yes, we are seeing the HD option. As you can see, after some time I did try to forward a little bit more, then you will be able to see the 1080 as well. As you can see, absolutely. So 1080 is present in this Poco F3 GT. So in the Poco F3 GT, basically you don't have any kind of issues while watching Amazon Prime. So full HD is supported in this Poco F3 GT without any kind of issues. But the users of OnePlus Nord 2, you should be aware that the OnePlus Nord 2 is facing, in my unit I am not getting HD, and even few of the users who already bought the OnePlus Nord 2 who received the phone, they did also mention. So can you please check in my unit? That is the reason I thought of making this video. So even in my unit also I'm not getting HD. Prime HD is not working in this phone. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a small video which I thought of just demonstrating and clearing all the doubts whatever the users has got. And see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, you just need to subscribe and check the playlist for more details. This playlist is created for only to you to watch. Try to check the playlist and all your doubts will be cleared. Until then, bye friends.